tell you that you can't do it. Prove everybody wrong and show them you getting through it, homie. You better hustle. You better hustle, yeah.
How's everyone doing today? It's CJ Hallock with CJHallock.com, and this is the Daily Hustle Report, a breakdown of how the day went, just a way for me to share and document along as I continue with my journey. So basically today went through, spent about an hour and a half cleaning out my server, making sure I had everything clean and, doing some stuff like that. Been working on the Stay Boosted relaunch. So spent a little bit of time playing around with different design concepts for the front page. When I get ready to do the official relaunch, I got the Stay Boosted swag set up. So I'm going to start having the t-shirts and hoodies and, different things to that nature. Some, canvas prints and things like that. Did a lot of work creating some video templates for, obviously, the Daily Hustle Report, as well as the Wake Up Call. Got everything set up for the Wake Up Call to try and get that started on a daily basis. Starting next Monday, that is going to be a mixture between a video episode similar to this one, very similar for those of you who have seen it in the past. The old Wake Up Call that I used to do a few weeks ago. I took a little break, had to get some stuff straightened out, but I got that ready to start back on Monday. And given that everything works right, I'm actually looking at trying to use Anchor as the podcast platform for that, so I can release that as well over on Anchor through iTunes and Google Play and all that stuff. Did a lot of work on the free web design tutorial today. Got 5 blog posts ready to start optimizing and working on the layout, but got them written, ready to roll. What else? I did the next book for March. Got the concept, worked on the layout and everything for that. And that's going to be a monthly workbook that I'm putting out. It's going to be something that's going to have basically a way for you to index the books so you can go back and take a look at whatever was going on that day. It's going to be a journal entry, gratitude section, stuff for daily priming, task lists, planner so you can plan out your day, just about anything that you need to make sure that you're extremely productive, all in one book that's going to be broken down. So you get one book per month. You start day one, you go through it all. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff going on that, just working on trying to finish the concept as far as what pages are going where and everything else, and then I'll put that together, and we'll be videoing that. Also want to apologize for not being able to get the Instagram video up that I had spoke to a few of you about yesterday. Said I would try to get that done today. I did not get a chance to, so that should be going up hopefully tomorrow afternoon. And that's basically, I've been taking a break away from Instagram just to basically, let it rest, let it settle and where I'm at with my followers and everything else. Make sure there's no, ups or downs or anything based on any work that I've done previously. And then basically for the next few weeks, the plan is to actually document day in and day out what I do on Instagram, my engagement, when I comment on people's posts, who I follow, all that stuff. That way I can show you guys kind of, my methods and what I'm doing with Instagram, and play with a little bit more and get that ready, because I want to do more research, which is the reason why the Instagram guide is not the book of the month for March. So this will give me some extra time to do some research with that, and I'm going to basically do I might do a week, 2 weeks, something like that, and just document every day, maybe a month, 2 months. I'm still playing around with how long I'm doing it, but that being said, that's it for me for the day. Thank you guys so much for your continued support, and just for taking, the 5 minutes, 6 minutes you've been watching me today, taking that time to show interest in me. Thank you so much for that. I truly, truly appreciate it. Other than that, be great, stay boosted, have yourself an amazing night. Take care.